Hello guys! Today, I will show you how to find an portal in Minecraft. We need Eye of Ender to find an end portal. We also need Ender Pearl and Blaze Powder for making Eye of Ender. We can get Ender Pearl by trading with cleric villagers. Another way to find Ender Pearl is that we need to go to Warp Forest biome in Nether, so we can kill Enderman and get Ender Pearl. For Blaze Rod, we need to go to Nether Fortress and kill Blaze. Now open your crafting table and craft Eye of Ender, using Ender Pearl and Blaze Powder. We need approximately 20 Eye of Ender. It can be less if you use properly. Now throw the eye and follow its direction. The end portal is somewhere near this area. As you can see, the eye is stopping here. We need to dig straight under here. Here is the end portal. Now we need to place the missing Eye of Ender. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.